So the first thing that I need to know is that when the police officers come to your house or stop you on the street for investigation only, a very important thing for me is to know who the investigative agency is. And not only that, but I need a name and a phone number for the person, the law enforcement officer that came to speak to you. Because without some type of a lead into who is investigating you and who is specifically questioning you, it is going to be very difficult for me to do anything else. Because if you're telling me an FBI agent came to talk to me, I can't just call the FBI and ask them, oh, do you know anybody that went to speak to Mr. So-and-so? Because the FBI is huge. Same thing with the Chicago Police Department. I can't just call the Chicago Police Department and ask them, hey, do you know who went to visit my client? I will never get an answer. So it's important to get a card or a name and a phone number. What is also very important, and even more important, is after you tell them, can I have your name and number so my lawyer will call you back, it is important for you not to say anything else. Because any statement that anybody says to the police will be used against you. It is something that we have heard from when we were little kids in movies. And for some reason, when the cops came to talk to you, people somehow forget that. And they always say stupid things. You should say zero, nothing, absolutely nothing to the police except for, I have a lawyer, can I have your name and number, and my lawyer will call you back. If you give me those tools, I can help you with the investigation. I can contact the police, I can contact the law enforcement, whether it's state or federal, and I can talk to them. And then usually what I do after that is I try to figure out if there is a prosecutor that is involved in the case. Because most investigations, especially federal investigations, are headed by a federal prosecutor. If I speak to an agent or a police officer, they cannot help me except for maybe give me some information about why they came to meet my client. They cannot cut deals with me. I cannot negotiate with them not to indict my client. That is always done through the prosecutor. And so I will, in my investigation, find out or figure out who is the prosecutor on the case. And that's when I can start seriously talking to them to try to resolve the matter without charges being brought against my client.